Ali Umarani, Senior Business Analyst from HBL IT Solution Department. Recently, we have gone through a CBAP training with OMNI Academy, which is excellent. The overall management from the OMNI Academy and the trainer was excellent in delivering the contents, and I am fully satisfied from this training and recommend all you guys to attend this training. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Asra from HBL and I come from the Information Systems Department. I've been taking CBAP training from OMNI Academy, and so far it was a very pleasant experience for me, because right now during these COVID days we have got multiple online training sessions, but this one provided by the OMNI Academy has given us tremendous amount of information and knowledge, and also the trainer that was provided to our organization was well versed in every capacity. So yes, I thoroughly enjoyed my session of CBAP training through OMNI Academy, and I would suggest anyone who want to take a CBAP training or any other trainings, so they must try OMNI Academy, because they give very profound level of knowledge to all their participants. Thank you.
I'm Farrukh. I'm from HBL and IT Professor. First of all, I'm really thankful for the OMNI Academy and HBL to provide this opportunity to have this valuable course, the CBAP, the Certified Business Analysis Professional. And I want to add some points for the OMNI Academy, the courses and the trainer as well. The trainer is really exceptional, and they just provide valuable learning to us, and yes, they always encourage for the participation through different activities like the quizzes and the drills as well, and other activities. So these are very good things, and we learn a lot from this. And as far as the OMNI Academy is concerned, they really done very well in providing us the material and logistic as well. And in the end, I'm really enjoyed the course, and thank you very much.